Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Are you ready for a new video? Today we draw a car. At first, we draw a straight line. Parallelly we draw some straight line. Next we draw the front side of the car. Then we draw wheels of the car. Then, we draw window of the car. And we draw other parts of the car. A car is a vehicle with wheels that you can ride in. It has an engine that makes it go. Cars help us travel from place to place. We can use a car to go to school or the park. Yellow color. Cars come in different sizes and shapes. Pink color. Some are small, like a compact car, and some are big, like a minivan. Green color. Cars have seats, so we can sit comfortably. You can choose from many colors, like red, blue, or green. Red color. Blue color. Cars have windows, so we can look outside and see the world. Green color. Blue color. Red color. Brown color. Black color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.